After about, I guess, 2,000 miles, we are so close to Oregon right now. We are about to go over this bridge which begins Oregon.
I'm so excited.
Oregon in 3, 2, 1. We're in Oregon right now.
We are here. Woo!
Welcome to Oregon.
Yay!
This is our first spot in Oregon that we stayed. It was a pretty good night. First time seeing the stars in a couple days because there's been so much smoke coming from California. But we're pretty far north Oregon. Going to go look at an RV. There's Buddy messing with something. He's been running around all this morning. Really tall trees, really tall pines. What would you rate this place at?
I'd rate it an 8 out of 10.
Okay. I'd say a 7. The interstate isn't too loud, pretty close, but it's not as loud as like a generator or really an AC unit. You could fall asleep to it pretty easily. It got really cold last night. It got to like 50s. So we just bought that beautiful rig right there. Christina, oh, look at that face. Look at this face. Well, we took it on a test drive for about 15 minutes. Seemed pretty good. Let it run the whole time while we were there. And then we get 10 minutes down the interstate and it starts bogging out. Kind of have half power for half seconds at a time. So we pull over. I think it might just be water in the line. So does my father. So hopefully we're right. Hopefully we're right. We'll figure it out. Happy.
Stay positive.
We're still happy.
Our first big purchase.
I wish we could be happier, but we're still happy. We are super happy right now. In the last video, we had said we were trying to be happy. Well, because that dang RV that we had gotten was bogging out and backfiring and popping and everything. We just left it there. Lost $2,800 and we're screwed, but we're happy. We're super happy. Just kidding. We messaged the guy, told him that we didn't make it 5 minutes down the road, and he came back and got it. I even told him I'd give him $100 for him even giving me a refund, and he said no, he didn't want to sell me a crappy vehicle. So we got all our money back. We're back in the car. We're happy. Christina, how do you feel?
I'm relieved.
That's, yeah. I can't explain the excitement that I have. I thought we were at the bottom of this trip, but we are now at the top because we're 2 for 2 of not having a bad RV. So we might not get an RV this time.